Video is recorded to show you how to create a table in Google Classroom. So you get into your Google Classroom, whatever your class is, come over here and hit create. We want to create a spreadsheet because that's where we'll learn. Create and share. I'll show you later how to share documents. And once the spreadsheet comes up, we could start typing. So our title might be something simple. You will probably make a better title than this. Um, Table for bubble data. Okay. And right here, our beginning of our table will be trial. And let's say we want to do 1, 2, 3 trials. Oops, 3 trials. Over here, we're going to want to write diameter and spell that right also. Diameter. And I realize now, geez, I didn't save space for me to put centimeters below it. So I have to come over here, select the entire row, see how the hand comes up, do a click there. And I actually want to insert a row below that. Now I can type in my units in parentheses. And then over here, I might want to add in some observations. Now I need to make the table look a little bit better than this, so now I'll show you some formatting. So first off, I'm going to highlight all of these and I want to center them, so I'll come over to my centering, formatting, and center those. I also like to bold them, so now that they're highlighted, I'll just click B to bold them. And now I would like to do a few more things. So for instance, this observations column, I'd like it to be bigger, so I come up here and I show you my little double arrow. And once that's there with the little centering line there turned blue, click on that and drag it over as big as you want it. So maybe I want that much for my observations. Now I'd like to make a nice table, so I'm going to highlight these two columns and I'm going to come over here under the format. I want those columns, those two cells rather, to be together. So I'm going to merge those cells. So now I want to merge horizontally and click on that. And now those two cells should be, let's try it again. I'm going to come under format, merge cells, merge horizontally. And for some reason that's not working. So for now we'll just do it like this. I want to format that and I want to have one box right around there so it'll look like it's one cell. I'll do the same thing here. Come up under my borders, show the outer borders, click there, and then I'll do the same thing for observations. Try that again. Might have clicked the wrong thing. There we go. Now down here for my input data, I want all the cells to be highlighted, to be bordered. So I'm going to click this one and you'll notice we get borders around every single cell. Now this may not be enough room for me to put my data in, so I'm going to highlight all my rows by using my hand to the left, and then I'm going to highlight the little blue area between, and I'm going to drag it like that, and that's not working either. So I'm back. I guess you can't make each row all together higher, so I'm going to come here one at a time. Select one row, get my double arrow, drag it down, and give me a little bit more room to write. Do the same thing here. Select the row, get my double arrow, drag it down. Select the row, get the double arrow, drag it down. Now I can write in there better. I want to try to center this. I'm going to try the merge cells again. It may work on your computer, so I'll just show you what it is. For some reason it's not working on my computer, but it did work at home. So highlight everywhere where I want my title. I want my title centered over all of that. So I select all of that by clicking and dragging across. And now I want to, oh, right here, merge cells, but I'll go under Format, Merge Cells, and this time I want to merge it horizontally. Let's select that, and for some reason it's not working, but it should work on yours. Last thing I want to do is bold my title, so I select, oh, it did, oh, and there we go, it's just a little slow. So notice how this is all one cell now. So if I select that, I can come in here, I can format this, and I can center that title, which looks a lot better. Notice how it's centered here. And then I want to bold it, so I'm going to do that. And there you have a beautiful table that you can print out. You could copy and paste into the Google Doc that I'll show you later. And there you can just print it out and put your data in it. And you can type in your data later. One other thing I'd probably like to just center that too. So come up here, center, and now I love my table. Thanks for listening.